Hello, Jefferson students. Here we go for Tuesday, September 18th. As you can see, we've got it all ready for you here. Today, we're going to keep going with our plant and animal cell exploration, telling them a little bit apart. For today, you have a Kessler station lab. We've done this a little differently, and we've done them in the past as well, but I've done this one just a little bit differently. But you're going to go ahead and click on that link there. Remember, please remember, this may not save your answers. They may not be saved. If you are unsure if you're going to get done, leave that tab open. Always leave that tab open. That way you can go back to it when you're done. Okay, so here is the station lab. Put your name. I'm just going to be Jim today. A little bit different. Select what group you belong to. Are you group 1, group 2, or remote learners? And then you're going to go down and tell me what period you belong to. Click that next button, and it's going to have you work your way through. So you should be able to watch your video. That should play for you. And then go ahead and type in your answers. Select next, and as you work through all of your stations today, virtually, at the end should be that little submit button. You're going to click submit and you'll be done. There is no need to hand it in any other way. We learned our lesson the last time. I hope this was helpful. And as always, if you find issues, please reach out to us and we will fix them as soon as we can. Thanks.